Tayo ng eggplant, finger eggplant guys ha. Ito yung ating mga ingredients guys. Paprika, Cajun, salt, black pepper guys. Hindi rin mawawala ang magic sarap guys ha. And then flour. I use a little flour because we have egg ha guys. Yan. Lagyan natin ng kaunting flour guys ha, para mas masarap. Kaunti lang yan. Okay na yan guys. Ayan guys ha. Lagyan ko lang siya ng itong Cajun, lagay ko na bago ko siya i-mix. Cajun guys ha. Ayan. Para ma-mix natin na maayos guys ha. Cajun. Magic sarap guys ha. Ilalagay ko na rin para pag mix natin eh diretso na yan. Hindi ko na siya lagyan ng asin. Magic sarap na lang guys ha. Ayan. Black pepper ha guys. Konting black pepper ha. Ayan guys ha. Tapos itong paprika, sweet paprika guys ha. Ayan guys. Kompleto na yung ingredients natin guys ha. Lagyan ko siya ng kaunting water. Ayan. Ayan guys ha. Ayan, i-mix ko na itong ating flour guys. Isang eggplant lang lulutuin natin guys ha. Mag-isa lang naman akong kakain eh. Kasi ilalagay ko na itong 2 egg guys ha. Ayan yung ating egg. Egg natin guys. 2 egg guys ha. Ayan. I-mix natin ng maayos to. Ayan guys ang ating finger eggplant. Yan ang ating ingredients kung nandiyan lahat guys. Kompleto na yan. I-mix natin ng maayos guys ha. Yan ang ating flour and egg guys ha. And all ingredients ay pot ha. And guys, okay na yung kanyang pagka. Ayan guys, ikakat ko na natin itong ating eggplant. Nalinisan ko na yan guys. Remove natin itong konting ano ito. 1 big eggplant guys ha. Kata natin siya sa center. Sama natin yung tangkay para may kapitan tayo maya. Yan guys ang ating eggplant ha. Nakita nyo naman eggplant. Very nice eggplant. Yan. Cut natin siya ng like this guys ha. Yan ang ating eggplant guys ha. Cut natin siya ng maliliit para maluto na maayos. Wow! This is my eggplant guys ha. Lagay natin dito guys. Mix natin siya. Yan ang ating eggplant guys ha. Ganun din tong isa. Bawasan natin kasi masyadong malaki tong ating eggplant. Para maluto ng maayos guys ha. You see guys ha. I cut like this. Yan ang ating eggplant guys ha. How to cook eggplant. Finger eggplant guys ha. Cut na rin natin dito ng medyo maliit. At nang maganda yung kanyang pagkakaluto guys ha. Yan. Ang ating eggplant guys. How to cooking eggplant. Yummy yummy eggplant guys ha. Yan. Ayan guys ha. Ang ating eggplant ha. Wow, how to cooking good eggplant guys. Finger eggplant yan guys ha. Panoorin nyo ha. Yan. Yes. You see? Mixing good. How to cooking eggplant. Thank you for watching guys. Ayan na guys ha. Lagyan na natin ng oil ha. Oil. Painitin natin ng maayos ang ating oil guys ha. Bago natin ilagay ang eggplant. Reheat good. And then put eggplant ha guys. And then cover. Yan guys ha. Ang ating how to cooking finger eggplant. Ayan ang ating eggplant guys ha. Salang na natin siya guys. Wow. You see guys ha. This is my eggplant guys. Put some guys ha. Yan guys. I put cover guys ha. You see? Put cover. I check again ha. Oh, maybe 1 minute and then finish and turn around guys ha. Yeah. The eggplant. Yan guys ha. I check again. Oh, ready. Crispy guys. You see? Wow. You see my eggplant guys ha. Coming crispy. Cover again guys ha. Check again. Wow, you see guys. You see crispy. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget share and like Chef Eric Malia. I cover again guys ha. 1 minute is finished. Now is ready guys. I pull out the eggplant. And guys ha. I put here. Wow, very nice. I put second batch here ha. Second batch I put. I put some egg guys ha. Aray ko. Guys, I put some egg again ha. And then I cover again, guys. Cover it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget share and like Chef Eric Malya. Ayan, guys, ready na to. More golden brown. I like more golden brown and crispy. Ayan, guys. Wow. I like more golden brown and crispy, guys. Ha? This is finger eggplant. Cover again, guys. Now I check again, guys. Huh? Wow. Yummy, yummy eggplant, finger eggplant, guys. Huh? Wow, you see, guys, more crispy coming. I like this, guys, because this is coming more crispy. You see? Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. Huh? Finger eggplant. How to make? Ayan, guys, I put again, huh? Yes. Wow. I put some egg. The finger egg. You see, guys, huh? And then I cover again, guys, huh? Thank you for watching. Guys, huh? I check again the one because it's very fast now cooking. Wow. You see, guys, my egg finger eggplant, guys, huh? Don't forget share and like Chef Eric Malya, guys. You see the coloring. Now, guys, I cover again, huh? Thank you for watching, guys, huh? Ready, guys. This is ready now. You see the eggplant, finger eggplant is ready. Wow, you see, guys. Wow. Thank you for watching. Now is last, guys, huh? I put last, guys. I put all egg because it's the last. Yan, guys, ha? Ang ating eggplant. Cover again, guys, ha? Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's ready. Turn around, guys. This is the last. You see, guys, the coloring. Cover again, guys, ha? This is the last, guys, ha? And guys, finish. This is the last, guys, ha? Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to share and like my video, Chef Eric Malya. Yes. Yes, guys. Ready. I hope now, guys, ha? Last finish, guys. This is my eggplant now. Is ready to eating. Wow. Thank you, guys, for watching. Ito na, guys, ang ating eggplant, ha? Wow. Crispy. Thank you for watching, guys. Yan, guys, ang ating. Crispy. Mm, 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 mm. Yung ating eggplant, guys, ha? Crispy yan. Mm, mm. Thank you for watching, guys. Finish. Mm. Yummy, yummy, guys. Very easy recipe. Mm, mm. Wow. Okay. Thank you for watching. Finger eggplant, how to cooking. Ready guys, ready. Thank you, thank you, thank you.